Okay, for today, we are exploring a few things off the first 20, and these are the new things from the first 20 that I got to teach you. One of them is how to factor that. Well, factoring just means breaking it up into things that multiply to it. Like if I had 80, what are the factors of 80? Well, 8 times 10 would be factored, because 8 times 10, 40 times 2 is another way to factor it. And you already know how to do that kind where you just break something up into something times something. But I don't think anybody in here knows the answer to this. Please prove me wrong. If you know this, raise your hand and tell me. I'll tell you if you're right. Anybody think they know? I'd just be impressed, that's all. It's not incredibly hard. Nope, that's not it. Anybody else know how to do this? All right, I can. Okay. It's not x times x, okay? I mean, you're right that x times x makes x squared, but the answer isn't x times x.
X minus 4, x plus 4.
Oh my goodness, I am impressed. Now, he just nailed that. Now see what he did? He took the square root of 16 and he took the square root of x and had 1 plus and 1 minus. Nice job. That is called factoring. I didn't think anybody could do it in here, but I was wrong. Okay, then here's a typical question that has it in it. X plus 5 and x plus 2 over x squared minus 25. That looks so complicated, but it's actually so easy. Because as soon as you factor that bottom part right, like he just showed you how to do, then stuff just cancels and it's done. Who thinks they know what to put for x squared minus 25? I got to put 2 parentheses, you know, like before. I know you know. I mean, I wanted somebody else. You got this now. Yes? X minus 5, x plus 5. And watch what happens when that gets factored like that. Watch what happens now. The x plus 5 cancels the x plus 5. And the final answer is on top, x minus 2. On bottom, x minus 5. That super hard looking problem becomes super easy. I'm going to give you one more like that. I gave you scratch paper a while ago. Use it and just write this down. How'd I what?
How was it?
This canceled this. Let's see if you can do this one. X minus 3, x plus 4, all over x squared minus 9. This will be one you could impress mom and dad with, because honestly, most of you could bring this home to mom and dad and they would have no clue how to do this. If you just pay attention for the next 1 minute, you'll be good at this. Okay, so write that down if you haven't already. Then factor the bottom part, and you're going to cross this out and put in its factors. Just some hardcore math. X minus 3, x plus 3. Raise your hand if you knew how to factor right at least. Okay, got it. Once you got that. All right. I don't think you're writing right now, which is a problem. Get this copied down. Okay. And then you, Mr. W. Now that I factored that, do you see what can cancel?
No.
Well, look for something that's the same on the top and the bottom.
-3.
Yep. That cancels that.
That makes sense.
Final answer. What's left on top?
0. 4.
That. Don't just say 4.
That thing.
That thing. Say it.
That thing.
X plus 4. Ah! Over. What's on the bottom? X plus 3. There's your answer. X plus 4 over x plus 3. That is hardcore algebra. And if you give that to the average person on the street, they would not know how to do it. And yet, you just learned it in a couple minutes there. Let's try this one more time. X minus 9, x plus 1 over x squared minus 81. Now, some of you guys won't know how to factor 81, but some of you will. I'm going to pause while you give this one a try. There we go. You're doing it right. X minus 9, x plus 9. Good. Now, why was that smart? Because now something will cancel. There's one on top, one on the bottom. Read me the final answer then. What's on top? What's on the bottom? That's it. There's your answer. X plus 1 over x plus 9. You learned something new. That involved factoring and canceling. Those are two really important skills in algebra. So here comes your worksheet. Your worksheet is going to involve the ones that we practiced in class plus the new one I just taught you, and you're only going to have like 8 questions. All right, I'm going to pause while I hand it out. Okay, so I assigned the worksheet called TMT First 20 version 1, and the problems we did are 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 18. Let me see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 questions. Nice and easy. 10 problems of homework for tonight. That's all I got for you for today.